Living in Knoxville means enjoying beautiful seasons, rolling hills, and plenty of fresh air, but it also means dealing with high humidity for much of the year. From sticky summers to sudden rainstorms, your home's windows need to work harder to stay comfortable, energy efficient, and protected from moisture. That's exactly why casement windows are such a smart choice for Knoxville homes. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward like a door, offering a combination of tight sealing, excellent airflow, and moisture resistance that performs exceptionally well in humid climates. Superior sealing keeps humidity outside. One of the biggest challenges in Knoxville's climate is keeping humid air from sneaking indoors. Casement windows excel here because of how they close. Instead of sliding along tracks, they press tightly against the frame when shut, creating a strong, weather-resistant seal. This compression seal helps prevent warm, moist air from entering your home, which can reduce indoor humidity levels and ease the workload on your air conditioning system. Less moisture inside also means a lower risk of mold, mildew, and warped window frames, common problems in humid regions. Better ventilation when you need it. Knoxville summers can feel heavy, especially after rainfall. Casement windows are designed to capture breezes more effectively than many other window styles. Because they open outward fully, they act almost like a sail, funneling fresh air into your home. This improved airflow is perfect for airing out rooms after humid days, cooking, or showers. Better ventilation helps regulate indoor moisture naturally, making your home feel fresher without constantly relying on mechanical cooling. Energy efficiency that makes a difference. Humidity and heat often go hand in hand, and energy bills can climb quickly in East Tennessee. Casement windows are known for their energy-efficient design, largely due to their airtight seal and compatibility with modern glass options like low-E coatings and insulated panes. By minimizing air leakage, these windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. That means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to keep your home cool and comfortable, even during Knoxville's hottest, most humid months. Moisture resistance and long-term durability. High humidity can be tough on building materials, but well-made casement windows are built to last. Many homeowners choose vinyl or fiberglass casement windows because these materials resist moisture absorption, won't rot, and require minimal maintenance. Unlike older wood windows that can swell or stick in damp conditions, casement windows operate smoothly year-round. Their durable construction helps them stand up to Knoxville's frequent rain and humidity without losing performance over time. Easy maintenance for busy homeowners. Humidity often means more condensation, but casement windows make maintenance simple. Many designs allow the glass to be cleaned from inside the home, which is especially convenient for upper floors. Fewer tracks and moving parts also mean fewer places for moisture and dirt to build up. With basic cleaning and occasional hardware checks, casement windows remain functional and attractive for years, making them a practical choice for homeowners who want long-term value. A smart fit for Knoxville homes. Beyond performance, casement windows offer a clean, versatile look that complements both traditional and modern Knoxville homes. Whether you're upgrading an older property or building something new, they provide a balance of style, comfort, and climate-ready performance. In a humid environment like Knoxville, choosing the right windows matters. Casement windows deliver excellent sealing, improved airflow, and durable materials that work together to protect your home from moisture while keeping it comfortable and energy efficient all year long.